Hey friends, if you wish to send feedback about Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Click on help once Microsoft Word is open. Now click on feedback. Okay, this will open the feedback window. You can either give a compliment, report a problem, or make a suggestion. Now I'll click on make a suggestion. Okay, it will redirect you to the Microsoft website and it will ask you to log into it. Okay, and once you are logged in, you'll have to log into it. Okay. Okay, and then we will enter the password, and then it asks stay signed in. Okay, and then once you are here, you can click on send feedback. You can select a forum, and then the forum is Word by default. You can mention a feedback. I like Word. Okay, and then you can select a platform. So the platform is Windows because I'm using Word on Windows, and then select a category, and then the category is, let's say, dictation. So then you can send something here. I like the dictation feature, or whatever you want to write. And then I will select no because I don't want any response from them. And then I click on send. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.